Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to get hard disk serial number in Windows using command prompt. Click Start button, type CMD in search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type wmic space disk drive space get space model, comma, serial number. Model and serial number is displayed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.